And the first thing, this course about smart money concept. So my course divide 3 main sections. The first section about the sum of the definition, and the second section about main strategies, and the last section some of the extra knowledge. In the definition, you will learn what is a liquidity or smart money, imbalance manipulation, and what is a POS, CTS, how to define it, and what is a pullback and breakout, real breakout and real pullback. And I will give you information about premium and discount zone, the strong zone in the market you can wait to entry. The next one in the definition about the institutional candles, how to define it, to define the order block or the POI point of interest zones, the main zone with smart money concept. And in the main strategies, you can understand about total map about smart money concept. And the next one, how to trade follow the trend, also how to trade break the trends. This one is the main strategy with smart money concept, and normally is an example about V theory to fully understand about these strategies. And in the extra knowledge, you can understand what you should focus with the wildcard and alias. This method is too complicated, therefore we should remove and apply some useful things with the smart money concept in the trading. And in the next one, I will guide you how to define momentum of the way. The next one is a normal mistake when you're trading with smart money concept, and the last one is what is a successful system. Every lesson over here was built with the form what it is, how to apply it or how to define it, and normally in the last of every lesson will be the example to help you fully understand about my lessons. And the last one, how to learn with my course. The first thing, we have 3 main factors here, therefore you can learn from the definition to main strategies to extra knowledge. That is the first method. And the second method, you can quick review about my main strategies, learn about the definition later, and after understand about all the definition, you can learn again about main strategies and continue learn about extra knowledge to fully understand about this course. And that's all about the video today. Thank you and see you in the course.